We represent the sacrifice of our people to fight for our land, and we represent the sacrifice and the fight that continues. So it brings us great honour to have you meet with us, the true rangatira of this country. The Crown is acting contrary to Te Tiriti and UNDRIP in the litigation stances it is taking in the case the Paokana people are advancing in the Māori Land Court. The Crown is arguing that land as a concept should be understood in a very narrow and Eurocentric sense as excluding the water. This Crown position contravenes Article 2 of the Tiriti o Waitangi, as well as Articles 40 and 37.1 of UNDRIP. The Crown has failed to pay full reparations to the Paokani people for the taking and use of their land and then operating the Waikato River Hydro Scheme, which is presently operated for a for-profit mixed Crown ownership model. It's been 32 years, but they know that if they can litigate us for as long as they can, eventually we will run out of money.